DASIN ST300 automatic instant heating tea brewing machine. When you receive the machine, we recommend entering the settings first. The default password is for 8. You can change the password here. For easier initial setup, we suggest using a blank password. Then press save. Brewing settings can also use a blank password. This makes access quicker. In advanced settings, there is digital monitoring. When enabled, data will be displayed like this. This section appears when turned off. The display disappears. Now let's set the tea parameters. For example, button number 10. Name it green tea. Set temperature to 95 degrees Celsius. Brewing time is 630 seconds. Water volume is 1600 ml. Steeping and stirring settings. This is the rest time before stirring and before the next stir. It controls stirring intervals. For beginners, we recommend only one stage, no need for 2 stages. Total time stays at 630 seconds. If you are new to the stirring function, set green tea to 300 seconds. Rest for 300 seconds, then stir for 60 seconds, and save the setting. Go back to the previous page. Button 10 is now set. Why are there 20 buttons? This is the user interface. The top is for large batches, such as 5,000 milliliters. The bottom section is for small batches, for easy staff operation. Next, add the tea leaves. For placement, we recommend this position. This is the filter mash. It looks like this. Pour tea leaves here. When placing it back, you will hear a beep. This means it is correct. If not placed properly, an alert will sound. It will beep continuously. Right now, the machine is preheating. You can see the intelligent preheating system. It calculates automatically. Brewing will start shortly. Earlier, the wait was longer. Now let's watch brewing. After brewing is complete, we will explain cleaning. Remove the tea filter. You can see the tea leaves. They are evenly spread. Let's take a closer look. Okay, now for cleaning. Cleaning is simple. Rinse with water. After cleaning, perform a drip test. Fill with water. Lift and check for leaks. If there is no dripping, it's ready. If dripping occurs, disassemble this part. Like this. There are 3 parts. Clean each part. Wash thoroughly. Reassemble and it's ready to use.